Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's sure to elevate your home lighting experience, the Philips Hue Essential Smart LED Bulb 4-Pack. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Philips Hue Essential Smart LED Bulb? This smart lighting solution comes in a pack of 4 and 19 bulbs, each with the capability to emit both white and color ambience. These bulbs are designed for standard E26 sockets, and they consume just 7.2 watts while delivering an impressive 800 lumens of brightness. With a color temperature range from a warm 2200 K to a bright 6500 K, you can easily adjust the lighting to fit the mood of any occasion. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of these bulbs. One of the biggest selling points is how easy they are to set up. Simply screw in the bulbs, download the award-winning Hue app, and you're ready to start controlling and customizing your lighting remotely. This makes the transition to smart lighting not only simple but also enjoyable. Another fantastic feature is the ability to create ambience with color. With millions of colors at your fingertips and a packed library of preset light scenes designed by lighting experts, you can find the perfect hue to match your mood or activity, from a cozy evening with soft warm tones to an energetic gathering with vibrant colors. If you're someone who loves to adjust the brightness based on your activity, the Philips Hue Essential bulbs offer smooth dimming from a full brightness down to just 2%. This flexibility allows you to achieve the perfect level of lighting, whether you're hosting a dinner party, watching a movie, or settling down with a good book. For those who prefer hands-free convenience, these bulbs are compatible with voice assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home. This means you can control your lighting with simple voice commands, making it even easier to adjust your atmosphere without lifting a finger. Now, who would benefit the most from these smart bulbs? If you're a tech enthusiast looking to upgrade your home with smart devices, or a busy professional who wants to streamline your daily routines, the Philips Hue Essential Smart LED bulbs are perfect for you. They're also great for families, as you can easily customize the lighting for playtime, homework, or family movie nights. Practical use cases for these bulbs are virtually endless. Picture this: you come home after a long day, and with just a voice command, your lights gradually brighten to a warm, welcoming glow. Or perhaps you want to set the mood for a romantic dinner, and with a few taps on your app, you can dim the lights to a soft amber while playing your favorite playlist. You could even set the lights to sync with your favorite movies or video games for an immersive experience. The Philips Hue Essential bulbs are also designed for expansion. If you choose to add a Hue bridge, you can unlock even more features, such as enhanced home security options and the ability to sync your lighting with music, movies, and video games. In summary, the Philips Hue Essential Smart LED Bulb 4-Pack offers a range of features that make it a versatile choice for anyone looking to enhance their home lighting. With easy setup, customizable colors and brightness, voice control, and expansion possibilities, it truly brings a new level of convenience and ambience to your living space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.